Hi students, welcome back. Today we're going to discuss chapter 15.2a, and 15.2a is describing solution composition, and we focus today on mass percent. So what is mass percent? Mass percent is the mass of my solute in a given mass of a solution. Or in a formula, mass percent, mass of my solute divided with the mass of my solution times 100. And the mass of my solution is the same as my solute and solvent together. So we can have two equations. So let's practice. 1 gram of NaCl and 49 grams of water. What's the mass percent NaCl in the solution? Think about it for a minute. My solute is NaCl and my solvent is water. It's 49 grams. So the answer, 1 divided by 50, because my solute plus my solvent makes 50. 1 plus 49 times 100 makes 2%. I have a couple more examples. So let's look at 2 grams of ethanol and 150 grams of water. So my solute is my ethanol and my solvent is my water. So 2 grams and 150 grams. So here are the formulas. Mass solute divided by the mass solution times 100. The solute is 2 grams, and then I have to find the mass of my solution. And that's the same as my solute plus the solvent. Here are the answers from the previous slide. So we plug it in, 2 divided by 2 plus 150, so my solute plus my solvent. When I do it correctly, it's about 1.3%. 2 divided by 152 times 100%, it makes 1.3%. That's 2 grams ethanol and 150 grams of water. Okay, next example. Milk contains 4.5% by mass of lactose. How much lactose do I have in 1 cup? 150 milliliters, and I assume that's 150 grams of milk. So the answer again, here I have the formula. So mass percent, mass of my solute divided by the mass of my solution, and the solution is the milk, times 100. So plug the numbers in. 4.5% is mass of my solute divided by 150, that's my solution, times 100. Or we can say 4.5% is 0.045. 0.045, the mass of my solute, that's the lactose, divided by 150. So the mass of my lactose will now be 0.045 times 150, makes 6.75 grams. I have an exercise from the textbook. This exercise 15.2. The question is, what mass of water must be added to 425 grams of formaldehyde to prepare a 40% by mass solution of formaldehyde? Here we have the formulas, mass percent, the mass of my solute divided by the mass of my solution, or divide with the mass of my solute plus my solvent and times 100%. So let's try to plug in the numbers. So 40% is my solute divided my solution times 100. 40% is the same as 0.4. Is same as my solute divided my grams of solution. So we know we're 425 grams of formaldehyde, and now we have to divide with the grams of solution. With this information, I can find the grams of my solution. 425 divided by 0.4 makes 1,062.5 grams, is the mass of my solution. And we know my grams of my solution is the total of my solute plus my solvent. And I know the grams of my solute, 425. So what's remaining is my solvent, that's the water. So 1062.5 is 425 plus my grams of water. So then I can find my grams of my solvent, and that's water. It's 1062.5 minus 425 makes 637.5 grams. Okay guys, these were my examples. What I want you to do now is look for this presentation. Again, it's online in Schoology. Study chapter 15.2a from the book and make the online worksheet on mass percent. And tomorrow we're going to talk about another topic of describing solution composition, and then we're going to talk about molarity. Okay, that's it for today. Have a good day. Bye-bye.